Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to track daily activity on your children's phone or partner phone and to know what exactly they are doing on their phone without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is head over to settings. On getting to settings, next thing you need to do is to simply click on search right here. Then what you need to do is to type in notification. After you type in notification, scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to view activity dailies. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So tracking starts based on the day of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And it go back again. And all the history of what they have been doing so far is going to be shown down below right here. You can scroll down right here. You see everything your children or your partner are doing on their phone. Each app they visit most and what they do on phone generally. The more you scroll down, the more you see details right here. You can also come down below right here, scroll down and see some of the websites they have been visiting so far. You can also click on here to show all apps. Scroll down and these are all apps. So you see all apps your children or your partner have been using so far on their phone. The more you scroll down, the more apps is going to load on. Then you can also come to the top right here and make sure you click on show sites you visit. Show your Chrome activity in digital webbing. Simply click on show right here. Then you see all the websites your partner or your children have been visiting so far. Everything is going to be displayed right here. However, this depends on the type of browser they are using. Then here, you should be able to track and know what they are doing on phone and take proper action. Then you can also set limits for apps usage on your partner phone or your child phone. Once you set the limit, they will not be able to use the app as long as the time lasts. And for you to do that, simply scroll down and review some of the apps they use right here and set a limit. Like for instance, I'm going to set a limit for this. Google Gemini, I'm going to click on that and it takes me right here. Next thing we want to do is to click on here. Then switch to daily. That's going to take us right here. Next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here. We'll click on app timer. Here, you can set time limit for this particular app. So you can decide to put it in hours and some minutes and click on OK. App limit set for 2 hours, 40 minutes. Now, if your child or your partner are using this app and the time lapse is going to stop function on their phone, it's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.